Mao. Lesson 34. Professor Whiskers, here with a very social lesson. You have learned practical conversations, shopping, restaurants, directions. Now let us learn the most common conversation topic in English-speaking countries. The weather. How is the weather? It is sunny. It is raining. Nice day, is not it? Cold today. Weather talk is everywhere. With strangers, with friends, at work, starting conversations, making small talk, being polite. In English-speaking countries, people talk about weather constantly. It is the easiest, safest conversation starter. By the end of this lesson, you can talk about weather, make small talk, start conversations, be social in English. Let us learn weather vocabulary and small talk. Even cats notice the weather. Sunny days for napping outside, rainy days for staying in. First, essential weather words you need to know. Weather conditions. Sunny. Clear sky, bright. The sun is shining, cloudy. Clouds in the sky, gray, no sun visible, rainy. It is raining, water falling from sky, wet. Snowy, it is snowing, snow falling. White, cold, windy. Strong wind, air moving fast, stormy. Storm, thunder, and lightning, heavy rain, dangerous weather, foggy, fog. You cannot see far, misty, low visibility, temperature words, hot. Very warm, high temperature, summer weather often, warm. Pleasant temperature, not too hot, comfortable, cool. Slightly cold, comfortable, not too cold, cold. Low temperature, need warm clothes. Winter weather, freezing. Extremely cold, below zero, ice forms. Weather state descriptions, clear, no clouds, beautiful sky, overcast, completely cloudy, gray sky, humid, wet air, sticky feeling. Uncomfortable, dry, no moisture, low humidity. Quick sentences. It is sunny today. It is raining outside. It is very cold. The weather is nice. It is cloudy but warm. Now let us learn how to describe today's weather. Right now. Simple weather statements. It is sunny. Simple present. It is raining. Present continuous. Happening now. It is cold today. Adding time. The weather is nice. Using the weather. It is a beautiful day. Describing the day. More specific descriptions. It is very hot today. It is a little cold. It is quite windy. It is extremely foggy. It is really nice out. Out means outside. Weather with actions. It is raining hard. Heavy rain. The sun is shining. Active sun. The wind is blowing. Active wind. It is snowing lightly. Light snow. It is pouring. Very heavy rain. Pouring down. Practice current weather. Look outside. It is sunny today. Bring an umbrella. It is raining. Wear a jacket. It is cold. Perfect weather for a walk. It is beautiful. Stay inside. It is stormy. The most common weather questions. How to ask. Common weather questions. How is the weather? Most common. Casual. What is the weather like? Same meaning. Slightly more formal. How is it outside? Very casual. About current conditions. Is it raining? Yes, no question. Specific condition. Is it cold out? Asking about temperature. What is it like out there? Casual. About conditions. Asking about future weather. What is the weather forecast? Official prediction. What is the weather going to be like tomorrow? Future weather. Is it going to rain? Future, yes, no question. Do you think it will snow? Opinion about future. Practice asking. Person A, how is the weather today? Person B, it is sunny and warm. Person A, what is the weather like outside? Person B, it is raining a little. Person A, is it cold? Person B, yes, it is pretty cold. Wear a jacket. Small talk. Light, friendly conversation. Weather is a most common topic. Starting conversations with weather. Nice day, is not it? Statement plus question tag. Beautiful weather we are having. Positive comment. Terrible weather today. Negative comment. Can you believe this heat? Expressing surprise. It is really coming down. About heavy rain. Lovely day. Simple positive statement. Question tags with weather. Nice day, is not it? Expecting agreement. Cold today, is not it? Confirming together. It is raining, is not it? Checking agreement. Beautiful weather. Do not you think? Asking opinion. Hot enough for you? Casual, friendly question. Responding to weather small talk. Yes, it is. Simple agreement. Yes, beautiful. Short positive. I know. It is freezing. Agreeing and adding. Yeah. Finally, some sun. Agreement with emphasis. Tell me about it. Expression meaning, I agree strongly. Is not it though? Agreement with emphasis. Complete small talk exchange. Person A, nice day, is not it? Person B, yes, it is beautiful. Perfect weather. Person A, makes a change from all that rain. Person B, I know, it has been raining for days. Person A, well, enjoy the sunshine. Person B, you too. Have a good one. In English-speaking countries, people often complain about weather. It is very normal, not negative. Just conversation. Common weather complaints. It is too hot. Expressing discomfort. It is freezing. Exaggerating cold. It will not stop raining. Complaining about continuous rain. I am so sick of this cold weather. Fed up with cold. When will this rain end? Frustrated question. I cannot stand this heat. Strong dislike. This weather is awful. Very negative opinion. I hate this humidity. Expressing strong dislike. Responding to complaints. I know. Simple agreement. Tell me about it. Strong agreement. You are telling me. Even stronger agreement. Is not it terrible? Agreeing question. I cannot wait for summer winter. Looking forward to change. At least it is not raining snowing. Finding positive. Could be worse. Optimistic response. Practice complaining conversation. Person A. Ugh, it is so cold today. Person B. I know. I cannot wait for summer. Person A. Me neither. I hate winter. Person B. At least it is not snowing. Person A. True. That is something. Cats do not complain about weather. We just find a warm spot and nap. Weather affects plans. Talking about weather and activities. Weather affecting plans. If it is sunny, we can go to the park. Conditional plan. I hope it does not rain. Want good weather. We will go if the weather is nice. Plan depends on weather. Let us check the forecast. Look at prediction. We might have to cancel if it rains. Possible change of plans. Perfect weather for a barbecue. Good conditions for activity. Too cold to go out. Weather prevents activity. Great day for a walk. Weather encourages activity. Weather preferences. I prefer sunny weather. Personal choice. I love rainy days. Enjoying wet weather. I do not mind the cold. Not bothered by cold. I cannot stand hot weather. Strong dislike. Snow is beautiful. Positive opinion. I hate humid weather. Strong negative. Practice weather and plans. Person A, want to go for a walk? Person B, is it nice out? Person A, yes. It is sunny and warm. Person B, perfect. Let us go. Or, Person A, should we have the party outside? Person B, let us check the weather forecast first. Person A, good idea. What does it say? Person B, it might rain tomorrow. Person A, maybe we should do it inside then. Talking about weather in different seasons. The 4 seasons. Spring, March, April, May. Flowers bloom. Rain common. Getting warmer. Summer, June, July, August. Hot, sunny, long days. Beach weather. Fall or autumn. September, October, November. Cooling down. Leaves change colors. Comfortable. Winter. December, January, February. Cold. Snow in many places. Short days. Typical seasonal weather. It is spring. The weather is getting warmer. It is summer. It is hot and sunny. It is fall. It is cool and comfortable. It is winter. It is cold and snowy. Talking about seasonal changes. The weather is changing. Transition between seasons. It is getting colder. Temperature dropping. It is warming up. Temperature rising. Winter is coming. Season approaching. I cannot wait for summer. Looking forward to season. Seasonal activities and weather. Summer is perfect for swimming. Activity and season. Fall is great for hiking. Comfortable temperature. Winter is too cold to go outside. Season prevents activity. Spring weather is unpredictable. Changes often. Talking about extreme or unusual weather. Extreme weather vocabulary. Heat wave. Many very hot days in a row. Blizzard. Severe snowstorm. Heavy snow and wind. Hurricane. Or typhoon. Severe tropical storm. Tornado. Rotating column of air. Very dangerous. Flood. Too much water. Streets underwater. Drought. No rain for long time. Very dry. Talking about extreme weather. There is a heat wave this week. Very hot period. We are expecting a blizzard tomorrow. Severe snow coming. There was a big storm last night. Past extreme weather. The forecast says heavy rain. Prediction of bad weather. Be careful. It is dangerous out there. Warning about conditions. Stay inside. It is not safe. Advice during extreme weather. Weather warnings. Severe weather warning. Official alert. Stay home if possible. Safety advice. Dangerous conditions. Warning statement. Roads are closed. Impact of weather. Power is out. Weather consequence. Homework time. Task 1. Look outside right now. 5 sentences describing today's weather. Use vocabulary from this lesson. Example. It is cloudy today. It is a little cold. The wind is blowing. It looks like it might rain. I need to wear a jacket. Task 2. Practice small talk phrases out loud 5 times each. Nice day is not it. How is the weather? It is beautiful outside. It is raining again. Perfect weather for a walk. Task 3. In the comments, tell us about the weather where you are right now. What is it like today? What is your favorite weather? Example. Right now it is sunny and warm here. About 25 degrees. My favorite weather is cool autumn days. Or it is raining today. Very gray and cloudy. I prefer sunny summer weather. Share your weather in English. In Lesson 35, we have Part 3 review. We will review everything from Lessons 22 through 34. That is verbs, time expressions, family, objects, grammar, shopping, restaurants, directions, and weather. 13 lessons. A lot of vocabulary and conversations. We will practice combining everything, having complete, natural conversations using all you have learned. But today, you learned weather vocabulary and small talk. How to describe weather, how to ask about weather, how to make small talk using weather, how to start conversations. This is important social skill. In English-speaking countries, weather small talk is everywhere. Elevators, waiting in line, meeting neighbors, starting any conversation. Practice weather talk. Every day, describe the weather in English. It is sunny. It is cold. Nice day. When you meet people, try weather small talk. Nice weather, is not it? Make it natural. Weather talk connects people. Now you can connect too. See you tomorrow for our big review. Meow.